Assalamu alaikum. Hi everyone. Today I will show you that how to configure the Avaya IP system. Okay, so we don't have this control unit to configure all the things, but I will use for this demonstration. I will use the software to just I show you. So the software is this manager. Okay, so I don't have this control unit, so everything I will show you with the help of this application manager. So okay, if you have a control unit, so you can use configuration from system. Okay, so if you will click on this one, so the IP address it will be shown here. Okay, and then just you will need to go check that one, and you will need to click on OK. But I don't have this control unit, so I will show you the things on this application. So just I will need to create appliance configuration, and from here I will choose IPPBX, and from here I will choose standard mode. Okay, and then from here I will choose a card for my analog, and then I will choose a card for my digital station, and I will click on OK. First you will need to upload the license. The license supplier, the supplier will provide the license. If you purchase this control unit from supplier, so they will provide the license. So just you will need to click on license tab, and from here you will need to add the license. But this one it's just a software, because there is no control unit, so that's why this option is grayed out. So I will leave this option. Okay, so first of all you will need to upload the license. Upload the license for IP phones, for endpoints, and also for control unit. Okay, then IP phones they will be able to communicate, and they will be able to configure with this system. Okay, and then after that just you will need to go to the system option. In the system option you can change the name if you want. Okay, so I will leave it like this. So just then you will need to click on the lane 1. Okay, if your control unit lane 1 it's connected to your switch. Okay, in case in IP phones. Okay, so just change the name, and then after that just if you want to use your local area network IP address, so just you will change your IP address over here. Okay, and then like this. If you want to use this IP address for your Avaya IP phones, okay, so just you will leave it as it is like this, and you will need to choose this server option, and you will need to click on this option. So all the Avaya IP phones they will be get the IP address in this range, and you will need to click on OK button. If you don't want to use this range, and you want to range with your local area network, then just change the IP address and disable this option and click on OK. Okay, so this configuration is done. Then you will need to go to your VoIP system and enable this option, and this option, and here you put your control unit IP address over here. Okay, and click on OK button. So this configuration is completed, and after that you will need to configure the IP phones. You will need to create the IP phones, the extension. Okay, so we have now some 16 extension, but this is not a IP phones. This is just we put it a card, so it's generating these extension. You can also change these extension as well, but we will not use these extension because this is just for analog and digital phone. So if you will connect your digital phone into that port, so it will be working. Okay, it's just plug and play. but we will use IP phone. So for IP phone you will need to click on right click, and you will need to click on new, then SIP extension, and here just choose your extension. For example, I will choose 300. Okay, and then I will click on OK. So I will create my first extension, but here there is a password. Okay, this is the password for the IP phones. Once you configure everything, then you put your IP phones in a switch, then it will be get the IP address, and after that it will be asking for username, the extension, and also for the password. So you will need to put these two, then it will be registered with the control unit. Okay, so just you can change this password as well, but I will leave it like this. So just I will click on OK. So now you will connect any IP phone, any Avaya IP phones to the switch, to this system, then just you put this username and this password, and it will be registered with control unit. Okay, so this is the method for the IP phones. Okay, so that's it. Thank you so much for watching my video.